amazing people and students here. So today, students are going to be looking at endothermic and exothermic reactions through watching the demonstrations led by some of our operations team.
So remember I said oil is hydrophobic.
There's your level it. Close your mouth.
We did a pH testing activity where they got to learn about the different household chemicals that they might use and what level of acidity might be, how harmful it could be to them if they actually got to it. So we always build safety into it as well.
It turns red. Gross.
That one? So that's
Come on. Did you know what?
I bet it did. It's all at the bottom of my tray. Oh my god! Look at mine! Oh!
keep going. Come back in and grab some.
That's how
And then so the kids got to learn how nylon is made, what it's used for. It's used for clothing, it can be made for parachutes. So all the nylon they made today was a very thin something. It gave them a real life application to what they're doing and gets them to engage in science at such early age. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up.
And it has this stuff in it.
Whoa. Then we got to do our Bendy Men battery clock. And as we learned with science, not everything works the first time, so we did some troubleshooting. We had a couple of them that didn't work out, so we got the kids to actually ask open-ended questions and say, hey, why do you think it doesn't work? And actually, kids were able to problem solve for themselves.
I think that it never stays level.